The iPad is one of the expensive products of Apple. A cracked iPad screen is not good at all for a user. When the iPad will not be in warranty, then the expenses become doubled. Find the top iPad repair service providers who can repair this with the skilled hands. iTech Xpress is the top broken iPad screen repair center in Covina to offer genuine screen replacement services. The trained experts of this company repair the iPad screen. They offer value for money services with their expert hands and optimum knowledge. They implement the right course of action that can make the iPad flawless forever. Contact them for a cracked iPad screen repair service in Covina and make your iPad issue-free. Browse iTech Xpress Inc.com to learn more.